In this video, the most important thing you must remember if you want to create the life that you dream of, if you want to attract the money you want, the love you want, the health you want, the miracle that you're really hoping will happen, here's what you need to remember. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Hey, guess what? You are an individualization of God. You're totally worthy for every single thing that you desire, and you have access to the exact same universal mind as any genius who's ever lived. If anyone has done something that you want to do, it means you can do it too, and you can be successful at it. You live in a beautiful, powerful world that's giving you every opportunity to have all the abundance that you desire. Your desires for abundance are totally holy and worthy. Your desires for love and romance or health and adventure and happiness, they are all exactly perfect. And they're all meant to become a reality. See, you might have a voice in your head that's telling you you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, you're overweight because of something that happened in your past, therefore you're limited. You don't have the resources, you weren't born in the right area, you have this reason. No! None of it's true. In fact, you're not even your body. When you look in the mirror and you say, this is who I am, that's not even you. This is just a garage that's housing your soul. It's like a rental car that's allowing your soul to have a physical experience and learn powerful spiritual lessons, such as that you are a powerful creator. You are an individualization of God. Your thoughts become things. Your consciousness can recreate your reality. You can hold images of what you want in your mind, and using your imagination and your willpower, you can create them in a physical reality, such as your bank account, such as putting underprivileged kids into college because of more money you've attracted into your life, such as creating an ideal health situation, manifesting your dream job, taking care of your family, being the happiest version of yourself, so you wake up and you're pinching yourself because you're like, I cannot believe this life is real. I am so thankful. That's why you're here. You're here basically as a mini God in training to realize yourself as a powerful creator, as a creator of this universe. So comment down below, I am the creator of my experience. Comment down below, I am the creator of my experience. And if you have doubts about this, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com, right there down below. All of this is subconscious programming that just has you believe that you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, that your thoughts don't matter. And if you rewrite all of that programming, then you can attract the success, the love, the happiness that you want easily. Your brain becomes a magnet to it. And it's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. But remember this, you're a powerful creator. Say no to things that don't light up your soul. You deserve people that support you, that empower you. You deserve the dreams inside of your head. Don't dismiss them as wishful thinking. Don't dismiss them as you not being good enough, smart enough, deserving, worthy, ready, qualified. You have it all. You're perfect just the way that you are. Comment down below, I express the perfection within me. Comment down below, I express the perfection within me. You have perfection within you. Life is exactly the way that it's meant to be at this very moment. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out and trust the process. Say, God, thank you. Universe, thank you. I know that you support me in my highest desires. I now command that you show yourself with miracles and miraculous support. I'm so grateful that I'm attracting the perfect people into my life. Take a deep breath in and know that you're supported, that you're guided, and that you're a child of God, and not just a child of God. You are God itself. You're a powerful being. You have within you the ability to manifest anything that you want and overcome all your limitations. And that's so exciting. So don't allow anyone's negativity to pull you down today. Don't allow the past to pull you down. When your old thinking comes in and speaks negatively in your head, recognize it for what it is. It's a pattern plan. It's a habitual plan that's in your subconscious mind that's been programmed by our negative society. It's not even you, it's just society's voice in your head. So comment down below, the universe has my back. Comment down below, the universe has my back. And if you have not yet, make sure you demo the second mind. It's our software that we created to literally rewire the brain for you. The problem is the brain is wired. Literally, the actual brain synapses are wired to a reality that you don't even want, to a limited reality based off the way you were programmed. And that's your first mind. That's a limited brain. And the second mind is the mind you create that's in alignment with all your desires, that becomes a magnet for you to attract what you want. So demo the second mind for free down below to rewire your brain. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Remember, you're a powerful creator. You're deserving to experience the abundance of life. Take a deep breath in and say to yourself right now, I am worthy of all that I desire. I am good enough. I am smart enough. I am worthy of all that I desire. Let that repeat in your head. It's the truth. I am worthy of all that I desire. Comment down below, I am worthy of all that I desire. Have a beautiful day. Remember, you are a powerful creator. You are a powerful person. You matter. You have special talents, abilities, dormant forces within you that will allow you and assist you to achieve and attract what you want into your life.